What is the impact of fiscal deficit on inflation in India? Always deflationary, always inflationary. No impact depends on factors like demand pull.
Depends on factors like demand pull. Explanation. The impact of a fiscal deficit on inflation is complex and contingent on various economic factors. A fiscal deficit, which is when government spending exceeds revenue, can lead to increased inflation, but it is not a guaranteed outcome. When the government finances the deficit by borrowing from the public or the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, it injects more money into the economy, potentially increasing aggregate demand. If this increased demand outstrips the economy's ability to produce goods and services, i.e., supply cannot meet demand, demand pull, inflation occurs. Conversely, if the economy has spare capacity or if increased government spending boosts productivity, the inflationary pressure may be mitigated or even negated. Factors such as the level of existing inflation, the state of the economy, and the monetary policy response of the RBI are all crucial in determining the net effect. Why other options are less suitable? Always deflationary, fiscal deficits typically inject money into the economy. This is less likely to reduce the overall price level. Always inflationary, while a fiscal deficit can lead to inflation, it is not a guaranteed outcome. Other factors in the economy will influence the outcome. No impact. Fiscal deficits influence the economy by increasing demand and affecting the money supply.